All right, man, you seen it, we got it. Mountain of Steel. I've got an ex-student of mine that works at a location that works with these heavy metal pallets. And a lot of these aren't up to grade where they can use them in their business anymore. So I get the privilege of trying to get these off and recycle them. And definitely don't want to be in the drop zone of this stuff, that's for sure. So I'll get it started and push it off. And then I'll probably got to pull the truck up a little bit when the next one's off. But I will do my best going back and forth with this thing. And again, don't get in the drop zone. There's 2 of them with this one and 3 with the next, so. Oh yeah, get out of the way. And I love that Complete truck in Los Angeles put this diamond plate in the back of my truck because everything moves well and yet you're safe in terms of sliding around. Stay safe, Grandpa. Here we go. Little by little. Don't fart around. Okay. Man, I got that much off. All right. Nothing but safety. All right. Okay. Holy mackerel. Woo! Use your legs. Don't hurt your back. I think I'll slide it right in there. We'll see how we do. Man. All right, continue it on. Okay, close. That's good enough. Now I got to move it up. Let me sweep off some nuts and bolts. Keep it moving, Grandpa. God, it's good to have a hand truck. All right, we'll pull it up and then drop this. That's gonna go boom. Let him do his thing. Let him get out of there.
But it doesn't mean he didn't get open. Again, his route diversity or lack thereof is not something specific to Iowa State. A lot of college programs do this, where wide receivers run 3 routes for them, right? And that's it. That's all they run. Doesn't mean they can't run more. Just means that's what they want them to do for the most part, and they'll do it over and over and over again.
Okay. All right, one to grow on, Grandpa. Woo. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Here goes the 5th one. Up and in and over the rim. I'll leave it at that and just drive away. Let it go, boom. Maybe we'll watch it in the rearview mirror. I'll put that up when I park and get Wade on the get out. Oh man, hook this up so it don't flop around. All right, almost home, kids. Whew. Senor, I'm gonna pull out. That's gonna fall, so just yeah, just keep your eyes open. So it,
watch it come to the drop, okay?
yeah, amen, amen.
A little bit, okay?
You got it. Thank you. Oh man, there it is. Oh man. Okay, 5 of them gone. Let's go get Wade, get paid, Grandpa. Check that out. Didn't hurt nobody. That's always a good day. Got to be safe at the scrapyard. All right, there we have it, man. Brought in $141, 5 pallets. I'd say they're about 28 bucks a pallet, and divide that 1610 by 5, they're about 322 pounds each. And I'm so glad that none of them fell on me. Get out there and hustle and be safe. What a privilege. Build relationships and keep this stuff out of a landfill. Talk to you soon. What a nice little sign on the side of the truck. Talk to you later, kids.